Someone said it right. There's no such thing as a money god, but honestly, money isn't to blame. Today, through this post, I'm going to share some golden rules about money with you. If you truly understand and follow these rules properly, 2026 will be your best financial year. These aren't simple rules. They will change the way you think, the decisions you make, and completely turn your life's direction around. So don't skip this video. Watch it fully because schools don't teach this, and I'm telling you this from real life. Honestly, rich people don't openly say this, so come on, let's check this out on our channel. Rule number 1. Money comes from skill, not just hard work. Listen carefully. Since we were kids, the only advice we got was work hard. Work hard. So what do? Wake up early, come home late, work even on Sundays. But here's the real truth. Working hard doesn't always mean more money. No, it doesn't. This is where the real truth hits you. Money comes from skill, not sweat. Skill. The world doesn't care how hard you work. The world cares about the value you bring. Take this example. One person cleans the road for 10 hours straight. That's really hard work. Another person repairs a machine in just 1 hour and gets the whole factory running again. Who worked harder? The first person. Who gets paid more? The second person. Why? Because the second person created more value. More value means more pay. Here's another example. Workers lift bricks with a lot of physical effort. An engineer sits and draws the blueprint. The workers sweat more. The engineer's effort is not visibly obvious. But even a small mistake by the engineer can cause the whole bridge to collapse. That's why the engineer's work is valued more than just physical effort. The harsh truth is, if your work isn't valuable, the world won't care much if you stop working. But if you lose your skill and stop working, your value will drop drastically. So it's not about how hard you work. It's all about how much value you create. From the day you start focusing on value, your income will begin to change. If you want to change your life by 2026, decide today itself. Work hard, but don't try to learn everything. Pick just one skill. Just one. Then disappear from the world for 90 days. No excuses. No distractions. Not today. Not tomorrow. Start now. Learn daily. Practice daily. Improve a little every day. Be uncomfortable. You need to master that skill so well that you can do it without even thinking. People will start coming to you for advice. After 90 days, you won't be the same person anymore. Because the moment a skill is truly mastered, the world begins to seek you out. Trust me, increasing your earnings isn't about hard work, it's about mastery. The 90 days won't just change your life, they will change your values. Once your values change, your income will automatically multiply 3 to 4 times. This is 100% guaranteed. Rule number 2, wealth is built by controlling expenses, not just increasing income. This might seem like a small rule, but this is where life is built and also destroyed. The big truth is a person doesn't get rich by how much they earn, but by how much they spend. If earnings alone made people rich, then actors, businessmen, and sports stars would never go broke. But look at history. There are plenty of people who earned millions and still died in debt. Take Elvis Presley as an example. He earned millions. He had houses, cars, and fame. But there was one habit he couldn't control: spending. No budgeting, no limits. Addicted to luxury. The result? At the time of death, millions in debt. No problem with income. No problem with hard work. The problem was spending habits. That's why Rule 2 says, monitor your income and expenses. If you don't control your money, one day it will slip away. Rule number 3, protect your income before trying to take credit or buy new things. Before buying a phone, what do? We apply a screen protector. Why? Because even a small scratch shouldn't damage the whole screen. But what protects your life income? Most people don't have an answer. That's the biggest risk. An income protector means term insurance plus health insurance. A person has a job, income, and everything is going well. Then suddenly, a health issue happens. Expenses increase. Savings disappear. Investments disappear. They may even have to borrow money. But if insurance is there, the situation is manageable. Another person may earn less, but they have proper insurance. So when a problem comes, they don't lose everything. That's the difference. One person ignores risk. Another person prepares for it. If you don't have a term plan, at least have health insurance. Insurance protects not just your money, but also your peace of mind. It's not fear, it's smart thinking. People who think insurance is a waste often lose everything. Rule number 4, understand loans before taking them. Taking a loan is not always bad or good. It depends on how you use it. A good loan can increase your income. A bad loan increases your expenses. Don't take loans for vacations. Trips are fine, but loans for trips mean borrowing happiness from the future. Loans bring EMIs. EMIs take away part of your future income. Think before you borrow. Rule number 5, stop trying to look rich. Showing off is the most expensive habit. People who show off often struggle financially. People who live simply build wealth. Noise means insecurity. Real wealth is silent. Don't show off your lifestyle. Focus on building assets. Rule number 6, start early and let time work for you. Time waits for no one. Starting early gives you more time to learn, fail, and grow. Warren Buffett started investing at 11. If you start early, mistakes won't break you. They will teach you. If you delay, you lose time. And time never comes back. If you start today, by 2026, you will be far ahead. Otherwise, things will remain the same. So start following these 6 rules right now. Your future is in your hands. Before you leave, let me tell you one more powerful truth. Most people don't fail because they don't know these rules. They fail because they don't apply them consistently. Knowledge is everywhere today. Videos, books, podcasts, everything is available. But still, why are people not growing? Because knowing is easy. Doing is hard. Discipline is rare. Remember this clearly. Knowledge is not power. Execution is power. Even if you follow just one rule from today, your life will start changing. Not immediately, but slowly. Step by step. Don't try to change everything in one day. That never works. Start small. Stay consistent. That's the real game. One skill, one habit, one focused action every single day. That's how winners are built. Most people wait for motivation, but successful people depend on discipline because motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. And one more thing, stop comparing your life with others. Everyone has a different timeline. Focus on your growth. Focus on your journey. Because at the end of the day, your competition is not with others. It's with your old self. Become better than who you were yesterday. That's enough. If you do this daily, 2026 won't just be another year. It will be your turning point. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, right now, because one decision today can change your entire life. Best wishes to become a millionaire by 2026. Tell me in the comments which rule is your favorite. Like the video, share it, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.